Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. So in today's tutorial we are going to learn how to import our EasyWorship database into FreeShow. If you are someone that is migrating from EasyWorship to FreeShow, this is a great tutorial for you. So as you can see now in my FreeShow, I have like 5 songs here and I have like some images also. So I have some images here also which are also in my database. Okay, now but this tutorial we are importing EasyWorship database into FreeShow. As you can see here, I already have the one for I've imported the one for my Pro Presenter into FreeShow. So is same step that we are going to be carrying out for EasyWorship as same step for FreeShow. You know what I'm saying? So right now what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to open EasyWorship 2009. Okay, now click on this profile here, profile manager. So it's going to open this profile manager for you. So I have two profiles here, one is default and one is new. So the one that I'm currently using is new profile. That doesn't mean that the database is new. It's contained all my data, but the name I give the profile is new. So if I click on this edit selected, so it's going to like show the address where this database is located. If I copy this address and I head to File Explorer and I paste this address, so as you can see now, it's going to show these are all the folders that contain all my EasyWorship data. So to import your EasyWorship data into FreeShow, now follow this step. This v6.1 folder. Now as you can see now, that's v6.1 folder. So I'm going to click on this database, archive, and this folder. So as you can see now, where we have theme, we have some work, we have some keys, song history, presentation. These are all the files that contain all the data in my EasyWorship database. The one we are going to be needing is songword.tb, which contain all our songs that we have in EasyWorship. As you can see, the size of the file is 2.62, so it's a database file. So I'm going to copy this and paste this in my desktop. So I already created a folder for this tutorial, so I'm just going to like paste it here. So I'm going to replace it because I've already copied it before. Okay, now I have the songword.tb here, so I'm going to come back to FreeShow now. Now we are in FreeShow. So as you can see now, if you look at this page very well, you are going to see that we only have presentation, full presenter, and song. I want to add our EasyWorship database. Click on this file and click import. So here you are going to see many options to where you can import from. You can import from Pro Presenter, EasyWorship. So this one I use to import my Pro Presenter, and use EasyWorship, video, SAM, OpenLP, and so on. So we are going to be using EasyWorship. Okay, now I'm going to like navigate to the directory where I paste this songword.tb, so which is in the desktop. FreeShow import. Then as you can see, if I double click this, you can see now I have over 808 songs in the database and it's importing the song. Okay, let's wait for this to load. So import finish. Okay, now it's done. So if you come right here, you're going to see a new category here, EasyWorship. So if I click this, you can see now these are my songs, in the database. I can select any one and display this. You can see now I can select any one, display this. So okay, abide with me rather. So let me apply a background image to this. So abide with me, as you can see. So right, as you can now, you notice some things that the text is like some part of the text are cut out. You can come into template here and choosing your some. So okay, you can see now some part are still cut out. Right, something you can do here. Number one is that you can edit and cut this particular text into another slide, or now as you can see now some part are cut out from the text. So you can like do this, like resize the text box. Same goes to, you can select all here, so and resize the text box. So if I come back to show here, okay, where is it? Okay, you can see now. So as you can see, the text is like showing very well. So I can still come to template here and change the small bold here. As you can see now, abide with me or abide with me, same thing. So here you can choose any template for any song. So if I come to show you again, I can pick another song. So this is a Yoruba song, you can see now. Okay, come back to template. I can choose to use this small bold if I select it, as you can see now. So this is how to import your song into from EasyWorship to. Okay, we've come to the end of today's tutorial. So if you found this tutorial helpful, kindly subscribe and like, then drop your comments if you have any question pertaining this tutorial, or you have any question in media ministry general, you can drop it in the comment section. I'm going to attend to it. Please don't forget to subscribe, so I'm going to make more videos in future. Thank you for watching. Bye.